Bring a spice to your celebration with our summer tropical table and backdrop setup. This will surely leave an impression on your guests. Let's get started. Secure our tropical palm leaf print vinyl backdrop with backdrop clips. Add our natural luau decoration on top to bring a Hawaiian accent. Adjust the backdrop stand to your preferred height. Next, place our beige premium polyester tablecloth on the table. Tie the corners into a knot and tuck it behind for a cleaner look. Assemble our gold medal hourglass centerpiece stand. Place the round styrofoam disc on top and fill it with our artificial jungle palm leaves. Next, assemble the gold goblet-style flower vase. Fill it with green faux beech leaf branches and tropical colored flowers. These gold monster leaf vinyl placemats are the perfect start to our dining setup. Also, add the artificial Monstera leaf garland string lights for a decorative accent. Place the prepared centerpiece in the center and the flowers on each side. These sunflower charger plates with a gold scalloped rim paired with matching dinner plates look really elegant. Arrange the tropical colored napkins with the plates, place the glossy gold heavy duty cutlery on the sides, and set out the amber gold crystal cut wine glasses. Our ribbed crystal glass candle holders with flameless LED taper candles will definitely add a beautiful shine to the setup. Lastly, these Hunter emerald green paper pouches with gold Monstera leaves print, complete with pins and tags, will add the finishing touch. And there you have it, a stunning summer tropical theme setup that's sure to impress your guests. Create your own with ease at Tablecloths Factory. Happy decorating and thank you for watching!